Hey guys, so it is 11th of the 12th, December 11th, and we're having a contest out by Lighthouse, surf contest to be specific. So I think it should be a really spicy episode. I'm gonna probably even video my heat. But yeah, come along for the journey. I hope you guys like this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the works. We are here at the camp right now. Them are set up, and yeah, stay tuned. Big up. That's the wave. This is where the contest is being kept. It's kept by the Jamaican Surfing Association, and we have a heat in the water right now. Right now it's a pretty intense heat. The waves don't wake up just yet, but you don't know. And that's Frog Boss himself.
All right, so yellow.
Where is a Tweel Boss?
You're in third.
Come in.
Yeah, bro. Situation. Red is in first. With a total
just go out and do the best, you don't know. You see me? Have fun. You see me? Have fun.
3.55.
Yeah, man. Them looking punchy though on the right. Yeah. Them not peeling. Yeah. Yeah, for them to peel, you have to go down here. Well, yeah, so I'm thinking about carrying you guys out there for the heat. I'm like, should I focus on the heat or should I vlog the heat? What is that, Frog Boss?
This heat?
Yeah, when I go.
Oh. I'm gonna
focus on the heat, right?
Shit,
yeah. I'll try and get someone to get a video or two and drop it in the episode. Yeah. so I just realized I didn't really do a breakdown on how my heat went and everything. So of course this is after the actual event, but hang in there with me, man. So basically I caught 2 waves. It wasn't my best contest. I don't know. It might have been nerves. It might have been the coffee in my system had run out. But I basically caught 2 waves. And I needed to be catching way more waves. So I think my strategy going forward, I have some things to work on. So going forward, I'm just going to try to catch as much waves as possible, work on my fitness. I think I'm not like unfit, but I just need to like be confident in my heat. Yeah, so working on that. Anyhow, I hope you like this, and I hope you are all seeing this. Drummy, you are ripping. Iva, Frog Boss, big up on yourselves. Heat was fire. And Patrick, big thanks for videoing. Enough love. Big up. Alright guys, so win came up. We're in the finals. I think this is quarterfinals or semifinals. I'm tired. I've been judging. I got knocked out of my first heat. Waves were kind of tricky. I was a little nervous. Just trying to do my thing. But anyhow, Lighthouse is going on. Contest is going on. Interesting day. Hope you're enjoying this episode. Alright guys, so that was it for the episode. Couldn't really shoot it with my GoPro. Had to use the camera on the phone, so footage will be a little different this week. But anyhow, I hope you like it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the works. Hooked up.